What's up guys, Austin with OBZU, and today we're going to go over this 2014 Audi R8. We're going to go over its options, do a walk around of the car, and then take it out for a drive. Stay tuned.
This 2014 Audi R8 is equipped with the V8 and the ever so special gated manual, which is my favorite part about this car. It has a clean Carfax, and it's finished in this stunning phantom black pearl. It also has the black interior, which we'll see here shortly. The car has a fresh set of tires, and we've done our inspection on it. You can get that inspection from me for free at any time. The design language on the R8 is classic. It's a timeless design, and it'll go down as one of the best looking supercars ever made. A couple other options this car is equipped with is the convenience package. It has the Audi exclusive black optics package, and on the inside it has the Audi navigation system, bringing the total MSRP to just over $122,000. This car is incredibly clean, and I'll even get a shot down low here. Doesn't even look like the car's ever been scraped on any curbs or anything, which is nice. Beautiful car. Moving over to the interior, you can see it's nothing crazy. It's just all black, but the interior is so clean. When I tell you it's one of the cleanest cars we've brought in on trade, that's not a lie. I mean, look at the seats. The side bolsters look barely worn. It does have about 12,000 miles, as you'll see here on the tach. I just love the analog gauges here. The 2014 R8 was the last year you could get this gated manual. After that, 2015 and on, they moved over to just dual clutch transmission, so this is a special one. Hopping over here to the passenger seat, I mean, it doesn't look like anybody's ever sat in this seat. It's pretty crazy. I mean, it's so incredibly clean. Here's a little peek to the rear. You can throw some luggage back there if you wish, but she's dialed. Now this is how you open up the hatch here. There's a little button there. The 4.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 makes up just about 430 horsepower, 317 foot-pounds of torque. And this is kind of like a baby Lambo's detuned version of the Gallardo motor. So it's a pretty high revving V8, and it's plenty fast. 0 to 60 in just about 4.5 seconds. Moving over here to the front, the whole front is like this clamshell action, and this is where your trunk is. It's not a huge trunk. It's a supercar at the end of the day. This is what you get. But as you can see, like the whole front end of the car opens up, which I think is pretty cool. Very race car feel. Anyway, let's take this thing for a drive.
All right guys, 2014 Audi R8 V8 manual. Here's the key. This little flip up key. Sweet car. Whoo-wee. I love these cars, man. These are super cool. So here you are. Here's an interior of a 2014 Audi R8. They didn't really change much until the Gen 2s came out. This is like a Gen 1.5, I guess you can call it. But right here, baby, this is what makes this car special. Gated 6-speed manual. I mean, it's amazing. If you've never driven a gated car, it's just so cool because you hear the clinging of the metal when you shift those gears and everything like that. It's super, super cool. Key, not a push to start yet, so it's just a kind of standard thing here. And she's lit up. Let's go. Safety first, as always. Check your mirrors. Make sure we're dialed, and we'll go for a drive. So 2014 R8, this car only has 12,400 miles on it. Really low miles for what it is. Mirror check. Let's go for a drive. 2014 Audi R8 V8. Super cool. Super comfortable to drive. I mean, it's a V8, so it's nothing crazy. You know, still has plenty of power, but got your analog tach and speedometer, of course. Six speed, baby. Overall, really, really smooth. Do have a couple different options here. So you have like your suspension, so you can make it firmer. It's got like magnetic ride control pretty much. So it's exactly what it is actually. A couple other options here. You can put your wing that's in the back up and down. It does actually go up at a certain speed. I think it's like 45 miles per hour that the wing actually goes up. A little heat in that motor. Honestly, it's such a fun car, such an easy car to drive. People daily these things all day long, and I can see why. It's just so easy to drive. You have all-wheel drive with the Quattro system. And then the V8, it's got enough power, you know, it's not like the V10. They're not overwhelmed with power, but it's nice because you can wind it out if you really wanted to. You could totally just wind this thing all the way out, and you're not going to go to jail, you know, for that long, at least. You know, not like a V10. A V10, you're going to be in there for a minute for sure. Got your AC controls here, infotainment system here. It's a little weird. I mean, if anybody's ever been in like a R8 system before, I mean, you get it. You know, it's like, it's just super wonky. Like these little corner buttons for those corners. It's just kind of strange. Listen to that. Sounds so good. Gated manuals are obviously a thing of the past. Manuals are a thing of the past for most cars. And to have a gated manual, it's just, the nostalgia is there, you know? It's on those little stickers that you'd get or whatever, maybe. The gated cars are really cool. And that actually increases the price quite a bit. And a standard or an automatic R8, this guy's just gonna ride the lane here. An automatic R8 is gonna be, I don't know, anywhere between $10,000 to $15,000 less expensive than a similarly optioned, same mile gated manual car. But brakes work amazing. Tink, 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 tink. Super cool. I mean, look how easy this car is. You know, you could take your wife out in this car, no problem. It still looks cool. It's quiet enough where she's not going to get upset. Overall, it's just a classy car. The design is amazing, and they don't make the R8 anymore. So all the more reason to come buy these R8s, because, you know, in movies like Iron Man and stuff like that, that's what made these cars really fun and you know, famous. And they don't make these cars anymore. They might come back electric, I guess. That's the word on the street, but you know, who knows? Incredibly clean interior. You can see she drives great. No warning lights. Mirror check. What a car, guys. I'll always love the R8s. The following, the community for these cars is just all great people. We've had R8 events before, and I mean, all the people here are super cool for the R8 community. I have nothing but good things to say about them. You know, unlike you know, some other communities out there get a little hoity-toity, but the R8 community is great. This is a great option, great buy right here. Come and grab this thing. What an opportunity to own this iconic car with a 6-speed manual. It doesn't get much better than this. I'll leave a link down in the description. Hit us up in our DMs. Give us a call anytime. We'll see you on the next one.